A person jumps from a fourth-story window 15 meters above a firefighter's safety net. The survivor stretches the net 1 meter before coming to rest. What was the average deceleration experienced by the survivor when she was slowed to rest by the net? What would you do to make it safer? That is, to generate a smaller deceleration. Would you stiffen or loosen the net? Explain. Here we take downward direction as negative and then upward direction as positive. And the person is jumping from the fourth-story window, and the window is 15 meters above the safety net. Therefore, here y is equal to h is equal to, it is downward direction, so minus 15 meters. Okay. And then he is in the person is under the free fall. Therefore, acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity, which is also negative because it is downward direction. Okay. And then next, initial velocity is equal to 0 because the person is falling from rest. Now we have to find out the final velocity. To find the final velocity, we have the formula Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2Ad. Therefore, Vf square is equal to 0 plus 2 into negative 9.8 times negative 15. Okay. Therefore, Vf is equal to, on simplification, we will get the value of 17.146 meters per second. So therefore, I can take 17.15 to the second decimal place. Okay. Therefore, Vf is equal to 17.15 meters per second. This is the final velocity. Now, we have to find out the deceleration. To find the deceleration, and then the net is 1 meter. The survivor stretches the net 1 meter. So we use the same equation to find out the deceleration. Okay. So here Vf is equal to 0 because the person is coming to rest. That is why Vf is equal to 0. This becomes Vi, and Vi is equal to 17.146 meters per second. And then we are finding the deceleration, question mark, and then the distance is equal to 1 meter. Okay. So this also I will take the negative because he is stretching down. Now let me write the equation. Vf square is the same equation. Therefore, Vf square is equal to 17.146 whole square plus 2 into A times negative 1. Okay. Vf is equal to 0. That is why I substitute 0 here. Okay. So negative 17.146 square is equal to negative times 2A. Okay. A is equal to, cancels out, A is equal to plus or minus, and this is not plus or minus, it's just a direct value. So 17.146 square is equal to 294 divided by 2. That is equal to, what is the value? 147. 147 meters per second square. Okay. Now, what we have to do, he is asking, would you stiffen or loosen the net? Here what happens, suppose if you see this one, I will put it here like this, 2 into 1.0. Okay. Otherwise, okay, leave it like this. Leave it like this. I will explain again. I will write down and explain. Okay. Here what is happening? Here Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2Ad. So Vf square minus Vi square by 2D is equal to A is equal to 2D. Okay. So let us take the downward quantity is the D. Here he is stiffen or loosen. Stiffening means the distance becomes less. Loosening means the D becomes increased. Okay. So if D increases, A decreases. Okay. So smaller deceleration. To generate the smaller deceleration, you have to loosen the net, because if you loosen the net, the person will stretch more and then the deceleration decreases. Okay. So that is the meaning. Therefore, to make it safer, the net should be loosen. Since higher the denominator, lower the value of the fraction. That means that implies for smaller deceleration. For smaller deceleration, we have to loosen the net. Okay, that is the answer for this question. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.